Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Well, guys. So, yes, guys, so it's been a while, you know, haven't head to Spanish Town, you know, to see the Blind Brothers and also Gracie. You know, it's really been a while. So, I'm literally heading there today, you know, to go and drop off a donation as well for them. You know, it's been a while I haven't been over that side, you know, and yeah, so even Miss Gracie reached here, you know, she haven't received that as yet because it's still at the storage place, you know, where the stuff them are, you know, so we're just waiting to get things organized, you know, to see somewhere how we can get the stuff them there, you know, whenever the nurses them get opportunity, you know, to can get it all sorted out, you know, so she can also get her wheelchair, you know, so but it's just time, you know, just waiting on time, and hopefully soon and very soon we get that sorted out as well too, you know. So I just literally pull up here in Trenchtown, you know, I'm gonna grab two of the members them, and then we're gonna literally head over there and give them give the Blind Brothers and Miss Gracie a donation as well to that we receive also, you know. So it's been a while, guys, it's been a while I haven't been them side, so hopefully the brothers them is doing well, and hopefully everyone over there is doing fine, and also Gracie and Miss Gracie granddaughter, you know, so we'll be heading there soon. So guys, I want to please thank you so much. I see the improvements and the likes, you know, if we can be consistent and continue to like the video whenever the video is put up, you know, please remember to like the video, you know. So if you're watching now and you haven't liked the video in the first 3 minutes of this, you know, you can go and do so and like the video if you like the work or like the content, you know. We appreciate it and thank you so much, you know. Thank you guys for the love and the support every time. You know, gratitude is a must, you know, so you guys keep fueling the engine for us to continue on this journey, you know. So Spanish Town, we're coming, you know, so it's been a while, so hopefully it's not too much traffic. And today is a very sunny day, you know, no rain so far, no overcast, no clouds, nothing, so that's a sign. So let's see, so blessed love, guys, peace. Oh, go on. Fine, alright. Yeah, guys, you're right. One turn. Yes, sir. Boom! Wounded soldiers. Just stepping up to the wounded soldiers. One of them toe and one of them ankle, one of them knee, and one of the hamstring. Wounded soldiers them. I'm sure I know that.
Ah, boy.
Shiver. Huh? Yeah. Right, it's our phone. Yeah, shiver that, guys. Just pick this one. Oh, some of you are going to Spanish Town. Long time ago them side.
No, we're not which part of Spanish Town? Greendale. I must say hill. Something another hill. No, capture land. Capture land? Capture.
No, them capture, man.
Yeah.
But me so worried about the water, but me know would have good now, man.
More like it, yeah, but me not like Springton. No
know that, man.
This up. Oh, you not like this up.
Guys, this mango, these are sugar.
Let's try out and see it.
See guys, the mango they're right in front of them eyes. And them not eat them at all. Right in front of them eyes. And them not eat them at all. Right in front of them eyes. So where's the one make the move? Not the move? But I mean, see I was calling you. Guys, let me get one more. The sugar mango. Are you washing? Eh? Oh, I was Spanish told me I go. Yeah. See Gracie.
Okay, that's come over. Mommy already 5.
Oh, 5.
Yeah.
No, make no sense. Tell me now.
Yeah. She gone 1 o'clock on the machine.
Okay.
So 5 already.
You have to go with the man them then.
The mango there?
Yeah.
The mango run
Shibble up.
Pick up right there and put them there now.
Eh?
Pick up and put them there.
Shibble. Sweet.
Mommy said something. Come with something. But them not what people want. Them not about it.
Oh, I forgot about it.
Some of them so far, right?
Yeah, the UV. It's so hot.
You can't want to wash.
Yeah.
Oh, it should rain. Because it's sister.
Yeah, no longer I wash. About 2 weeks now.
Like that rain.
Yeah. 2 weeks I carry now wash.
So when the rain come down, come back. Listen, come show me I walk.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to Spanish Town now and come back. You know, Esther have to pick up her mom, you know, from the dialysis, you know, and boom, car walk. So we have Wow Chef now who couldn't make it the last trip. Wow Chef couldn't make it the last trip now, him good. And we have 30 grand. 30 grand, so no matter how much my limp in my road through. And we have Jaxie here as well. So we're gonna head over Spanish Town right now. It's been a while when I touch them side there. Listen.
Our penny comes from the big man is smiling. I don't travel from Link, I travel from farmer.
Well. It's been a while we ain't enter Spanish Town.
Yeah, man, long time we not come here.
It's been a while. Yeah. Bueno, so. Gracie. Hello. Hello. Yeah, good day.
Good day.
I have a parcel to drop off for Miss Gracie.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Round the window? Oh, it's a heavy box, so I just want to leave. It's a box, I just want to leave it. You can't move? You can hardly move. I just want you to sign this parcel for me. Can you confirm the address for me here? Oh, 11 Gordon. Oh, Leslie. Gordon, okay. And confirm your surname for me, please. Pardon me? Okay. I want to know I got the correct address. Sorry about that. Oh, in a wheelchair. Okay. Oh, gentlemen, can you bring the parcel for me, please? Are you appropriate or inappropriate? Oh, come. Give me a second. You sitting down?
My mind tell me say, you know, but you try change up, Lord have mercy.
Can you say?
You know, say to them, I say, me will call you. But me really, I send me say, me not get an answer, me call and me not get an answer. You tell them, one get in, you get some, when what's the man then with the medicine name, when him?
Oh, yeah.
It's a when him?
Yeah.
Name. Remember, Mr. King, I wear one name.
No.
Me want some my medicine, but take a doctor medicine now work. And the wheelchair, I want another wheelchair, well, I wheelchair. Ah, Jesus, have mercy, God. You know back up Nikki short then, huh?
No.
Nikki, me say Nikki should go and pick up some mango go. My yard over there, so.
Oh.
Yeah, watch you go on in the thing them.
Yeah.
Your queen. Your princess. Me watch you remove every up to this man, me put on a prayer for you all on the team and they do one of them everybody. Come here tell me long for soon so till. See me take this time victim then take you away from me. But me know when night time you go come, you know.
Yeah.
One night time can you not give up, only because you're busy.
Yeah.
Why matter get worse for me, Tina? Matters get worse for me.
Matter get worse?
Yes, man. Wait, man, him again now, Jesus, you know, you know. Want somebody herbal something, man. If you say herbal work. Call me a take a doctor medicine. It not work.
Because your body get immune to that.
Yeah, not work, man. I mean, need to go up and running, because I can't bother. I just can't bother. I go through a lot me I go through. But still, that not say me still give God thanks because me alive, because some not know. You know, some wake this morning I know. And some no wake this morning and me wake up.
So everything does get worse for you then?
Yeah, man. I want some medic, somebody, medic. We see him Cranberry father take it some see result I go and there's something to go on for me too, man.
Yeah.
I want me tell that the one place, man. Me, you know, I not like tell you the truth. I appreciate what I do for me, you know. But I don't like it too much. I know my life will go hustle. Because I know how the world will not come.
Yeah.
And you learn a man for fish, you can't give fish all the while. You sit down lazy and I want to do nothing. I want to go hustle. I'm in there one place. I want to take somebody detox something. And then after the detox, I go on for the other. The name in my mouth, I can't call you know, the name man King Isis.
Oh, King Isis.
You know somebody?
No, I know him.
You know. Well, yeah, we need where when everybody we work, see we. Cause they expensive, you know. But you better you buy more than you buy the doctor, the pharmacy thing. Kinda work. Call me eye then get dark. Right now my glasses, me eye glass, me test glass updated and the mash. Me can't see me a glimpse of what me now make out your face properly.
Oh.
You know? But me happy for soon am I, God. Me said this man, me don't know it look like I become God in was not come me put on that special prayer. Me pray for now the while, you know.
Yeah,
but me just put on a special prayer this morning. Me like me don't know if I read back. But me say Nikisha and me. Because my name and Gracie depend in Dirty Jones. Depend sometimes subscribe and
comment.
Yeah, comment.
Oh.
Me like your move, me boy, me not lie. God have a blessing that store wait for you know.
Yeah.
You know normal.
No, normal.
No, you know normal at all, man. God put you here for your work and you can't, nothing can wrong with that unless you do God work done.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Put you here for a purpose, man. May God bless, not only because you look about me alone. And not me alone, you look about many more. May I tell you, may God bless you. Bless your children, them. And if in case if you get no grandchildren, we don't know when yet. Bless the whole entire generation for you.
Yeah.
Because you're special.
No
He's
joke.
a special child. Special from God, may I tell you. Me call man at this after the me talk to Nikisha, because Nikisha things gonna get tough. And with lunch man and all then something if Nikisha go to school and you know when you're hungry, you can't learn, you know. You can't learn when you're hungry. And me I tell you, me at this morning, me say me I go wait until this evening, you know, when Nikisha come from school. Me and her go buy note and tell her say if you come with me, I have to me can get some help me want my glasses and get help with the herbal thing, man. Cause me I take this medication and it now please if you can throw this in the rubbish man for me. You know make no sense you taking medication.
Right now,
And then now look now the far when you help me out and thing. And he say every time you come, I complain. You will come and look and say, yes, Miss Gracie, man, you go on with it. You say, yes, man.
Yeah.
But nothing now go on right now, me talk to you, I make no more time, you admit in the hospital.
Only for time.
Only for time, you admit in the hospital, man. When I time, I think, I never come back out. When you take me.
Ja.
I tell you, boy, I want to hear about something, man.
You might have to make him see the video.
Yeah, make him see
And
video,
then
man. Yeah, man. Circulation problem. The heart, me can't drink no whole of water, you know. Then limit me on water. All that something. Blood sugar, everything. Just bad. Just a go on. Me no know when me do so make every sickness just do for me. Because like me I get a test in night job.
You kind of look like all your foot gets swell up back
Yes,
more.
man, and the bottom of them feel sore. Me say me wouldn't mind if me get the me know it hard, you know, and it hard for the donor them. But me one of them see that video here and smile and got touching heart and they smile. Me just wouldn't mind them could have get one of the electrical wheelchair. Me can move on, me say, because when that the one when me have a whole of the wheel I come off and me don't have too much weight. And when me forget nobody if me forget doctor anything, it's struggling. Me not nobody if push me around because the pity then I pay me no mind. You know, and just Nikisha one. And the next thing me ask her if he become me and something myself, you know. Yeah, man, one of the something when I use like toilet mood man, somebody that sponsor me get me one. Would appreciate it very much.
I remember so the electrical wheelchairs here already, but true it's still at the same storeroom, you know, when they get most of the stuff them from them time there. Because through the president they end up left and then we're meant to go back and get the stuff them, but I don't think could they get any communication back and when them coming back, so we could have go there and get the stuff them. So.
Yeah, man,
because a lot of stuff still there.
Father God, me I beg you do Jesus, please.
Let
me get it, because if me get it, me independent, me can go to the road or hustle or something. Because the yard get boring, not in church, me can go. The yard get boring. If me go to the road and get the tax, yeah, if me go to the road, me get the tax, right now tax man fed up on me. Because when he in charge me $1,000 go, $1,000 come back. He said for me work too cheap. Because with the time he take the animal for wait for me till me crawl out, he could have gone and make much money. So me want something me can help myself. Because me tired of not no man. I full time I go hustle man. Can't go up on the road go sell little bag juice, little phone card, then the little thing with me little trolley back and when we can manage.
Yes.
Yeah man, me want to go up on the road. Man, me tired of house. No man, me tired of house. Man, nothing motor. Me can't go got nothing move walk to go to the road. Get a little breeze. No man, me fed up and tired of house man. Me want some of the herbal thing. Me I beg you. Do me say yeah. Or me not even know if you correct your name. May God bless you too, but me I beg you do me I beg you some help, please. Me really need it. Doctor medication not work. It not work. Me head then get dark. It not work.
You got that, eh?
Yes, she come. She say she got too excited. Lord of His mercy. Me say and me put me pray God that God not take me home before Him pass the worst. Because me I tell you, the Father not go on good. The Father come like the head of go pan go can take his sickness put pan the head. But then get strokes. God me tell you say God answer prayer. He come round back little and he start hustling and a pay problem. He take it up put pan in brain. He look like he wants to a psychiatrist or something. My sick son now, then take board like him nice seed so the people like
Hello. How you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. It's been a long time, right?
Yeah.
Long time don't see Kina.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
You gonna get mangoes?
That's for grandma, not for me. That's for grandma.
That's for grandma. You get mango for grandma.
come on, I'm hungry. I saw overnight food. It started to down enough to eat. I eat me happy because when me have to go and work with enough to save life.
Oh.
You know, me can't. My husband not have a figure. Me have whatever I have, me have a satisfy and give God thanks. I'm glad we took I have plenty of we no have nothing to mango to eat.
That's true. Nikisha got look mango for you.
So string mango.
Look mango for grandma.
Strings.
How is church?
Good.
Good.
She love church. She you know so she go to all her clothes.
She wear them out.
She
Grow them out. Oh yeah, cause you realize she put on weight now.
Yeah man, she put man right now she want uniform and blouse. We go a school. Cause her clothes and get that she can't eat, you see.
You see, Nikisha eat after all of the food.
Me Hannah put me a God bless her. Me say what day me mess up myself when I see because she soon 9 up here wipe my bottom because me can't help myself.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm a big granddaughter. Nobody not pay me no mind. Everybody get bigger. Go and go about them business. Nobody not business me.
So nobody now help you
Nobody
again?
not help me again like one time.
So the granddaughter the one where they ask for the phone for the
Yeah,
time?
she not pay me no mind now. She not pay me no mind, you know. Once in a blue moon she come here. Not pay me no mind at all.
Gotcha. You know, say Nikisha's father him got worse.
Yeah man.
Mental.
I say I go through it. Because I tell you, when you ready for hang me, I know say him normal that. He take the sickness put on him brain because his girlfriend will have it dead.
Oh.
And for that reason, 2 girlfriend me one first one that I fear mother dead by it.
Oh.
And then now he take up another one. And she dead by it. Now for that reason just take it put on his head. Take drinking feet. And when he ready and he drink and ready to go hungry, my Lord, you would have come on, you'd have cry shame.
But then was she sick with illness?
Me never talk, I'm not really ready for she hear what go on it.
Yeah, I understand, yeah. Oh boy.
Nikki, go put this in funny something inside.
Bring one donation for you as well to where can help out.
Yeah man, I'm glad I appreciate it, you know. Very much appreciate it.
You know, hopefully, you know, so yeah, I can say we can get done.
Yeah
when we
man,
can
I appreciate it man, because me I tell you the truth, me really want the herbal thing to get me can take flush out the system and say we can work. Cause me can't move, can't move. Me could have go to the door, to go beard up here tidy, me up here tidy. And me can't me fat now, me supposed to beard man. You said up here tidy, me can't take it tidy thing man. You see the water and so me can't manage to go to the door.
Yeah.
And if I go road, me have to go through everything that is going on that is bad for go road. Me can't do them push me out, we can't go road. If I go clinic, I went in June for go clinic. The wheelchair I get problem.
Cha-cha.
Oh, Jesus, have mercy.
Alright, so you may have $10,000 a year for you
May God bless the donor.
from Jamaican grandpa.
Jamaican grandpa, may God bless you, your store basket never empty. God bless you, so it come right in time when we really need it. May God bless you.
10,000 from
Thanks.
Jamaican grandpa.
Thanks. Thank you very much. The 10 God. God bless the Jamaican grandpa.
Yes. Nikisha, want to
Right
thank
in
Jamaican grandpa too?
Tell Jamaican grandfather thanks.
Thanks, Jamaican grandfather.
Alright then.
I get one blouse out of this year. I will our clothes, our uniform tight up. She fi go on a trip. They say she fi insure. We go on a trip.
Oh,
Me give them to me collect my part. Me get for $5,400 day before yesterday for my part, and me give them. Me couldn't give them over $2,000. Me have to give them out. Send me that $1,000. Give them.
okay.
Okay.
Alright
God
then.
bless you. Now look what you
Yeah.
said.
No, they make a look for now.
God, I tell you.
Alright guys, so I'm saying we give thanks, we thank you. Jamaican grandpa, we thank you as well too for blessing Miss Gracie, as you can see. It's coming at the right time, where she can help out that situation. As I say about the wheelchair, wheelchair is here, the electrical one, where literally where she could have tried to move around, but it's still at the storage place, where everything is from them time, so we don't really got any access yet back to that place. So as soon as we get some access, so we can see what can get done, then make things happen, where she can get the wheelchair so she can keep mobile, so until then we just keep our finger crossed, and hope everything as well. So what I would do when this video is out now, hopefully Yaya will see it, I will send it to him, Yaya can watch it and Yaya can see where it can get done and hear or plead and see what can happen, because I should tell you that all of the doctor stuff, them and all of these stuff, they ain't working, so
work at all.
nah work. Alright then, so I'll keep you posted then,
Yes,
and we'll
my
see
brother,
what
and just
goes.
keep up the good work, I am here for a purpose, you're special, God put you here for a purpose.
Yeah.
Yet nothing can happen to you until when you done the purpose for God put you here for. May God bless your children, them and your parents and your associate, and bless the dream team. All I do one of them big up on yourself, coming out of prep, all when no say nothing come me still a prep, because me member want to do for me, I can't forget it.
Yeah.
I'm a granddaughter.
Yes, because them done a lot.
Yes, man, done a lot, man. Done a lot. September, I come, she will go back to school. She want in uniform and all and something. I mean, I wonder what tell you say. That's why the Bible tells us, we were not pretty,
Yeah.
Because you serve one bread and water, sure, I see it. Come right in time.
And also Country and Winston will reach out, Alright then, so Gracie, so I'm going to check the blind brothers them. Yeah, so then Charles and where name again?
Charles and where the brother?
You got them, two sample them and two brothers them.
That's Charlie Master.
Patrick and Charles.
Patrick and Charles, man.
Nikisha, high five. Continue to do good in school, okay?
Yes.
And I will see you back again. I won't take so long next time, okay?
She go on trip with we call it the
School trip?
School trip with education thing in Wednesday.
Okay.
2005 for the trip. My cousin and she pay for her.
Alright then, so we catch up.
Yeah, man.
Alright? Whoa!
Yeah, man.
Alright then, Gracie, take care, okay?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Hey, Gracie.
All right, my brother.
Yeah.
Respect. Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so we're going to head down to Patrick and Charles now. Down at the brothers them, Charles and Patrick, I hope they not argue today. Where the place through rainfall, pure water, guys, why? This place is called what? Capture Land.
Capture, yeah, man.
Spanish Town, capture land.
Someone to help people
See.
better drainage.
But this is a food for the poor houses and things where
Yeah, man.
food for the them put up for these people. So it's not so this land they don't own this land either.
This is captures, this is
So it's all captured land. This is where you see all the food for the poor houses then. Zinc it, blessed mineral and all the little things. So nothing great.
people and make some better drainage. Yeah, for people. What's the matter? You pull it through.
Orlando,
Yes.
it's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while. Yeah.
Yeah,
Everything go.
Away, man.
Who that? Charles.
Hey, Charles, you know? Charles Branson.
The elder.
Watch it asleep.
Look here, Charles.
I hear it do here now.
Watch it asleep.
Yeah, I'm not too long gone. I'm not thinking you're drop asleep.
Oh,
Just.
Judge.
That's all reasonable.
Judge.
Yeah, just start making here.
Judge, where are you going? There, man. Are you asleep?
Oh, no, right?
Yeah, man, we're alright, man. Eh?
Say no see you come here from what day?
Yeah, a long time, though.
Yeah.
Long time. So we had to get some rest.
I'm just coming.
I just come in. Yeah, one time he just reach out. Because I stop on Miss Gracie, that's why.
Yeah, I'm just coming.
Oh, tired? You tired?
No, I
I normally a few hours them if you come in at evening time.
Eh?
When you listen to radio, from here radio say 5 o'clock,
Yeah.
you know saying take time crumbling.
Oh. So him sleep early?
Yeah man, sleep for a whole night till daylight.
Yeah?
Or if I listen to radio program,
Mm-hmm.
you just use go and listen to radio program.
Oh, so these are the time when him sleep?
Yeah man.
Well, early sleeping, man, George.
yeah.
Sleep early, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm bring a donation for Alan to buy some grocery food now. Yeah? The boy, them groceries supposed to done by now, though.
Yeah, a hunger flour they haven't them not eat flour,
Flour.
so that's why flour still remain.
Okay,
Almost
okay.
the rice they eat and them ground food, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's for them main meal.
One Patrick himself, man. George,
Yeah.
go and pick up yourself, man.
Yeah.
What Charles are going with?
No,
Him over there.
no.
Charles!
One.
Oh, go on.
We're so rich.
Yes.
Every time I stop.
I said, George, every
Every
time
time I stop.
I suffer, yes, I want to him.
You know.
Yeah.
They said
Yo,
you can't come
yeah.
and get a conversation with that so far.
Yo, Charles. Hey, Charles. A judge say every time you suffer. Eh? I say a long time I suffer, man, Patrick. And I'm 82.
I like that.
I'm not reach 82 yet.
Not that long that. I enjoy that. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. No, you're dead.
So you say, him not dead already if you reach 82?
I mean,
I mean.
I want that.
Yeah, these two brothers not around for cussing and they listen to them for laugh. Charles, him say you're not 82, man. Yeah, not 82. Yeah? Him say you're not reach 82. Him say... But
no, I'm just guess the age based on female age, you must have guess.
Yes.
That you know the guess.
How much? Him say I'm 32. 82 now. So Patrick, how old is Patrick then? Patrick, you're 80? I think I say you're 80.
No.
You must have one.
So 70.
It's so 70 though.
Yeah.
So 70.
So that means that him so 72?
No man, him reach 70.
Him reach 70.
something.
So George, are you are the big one, George?
A Charles are the big one. And George say, yo, if you eat 82, you're dead long time, man.
Yeah, me too.
Yes. So I give Alan some money phone, yeah? Yeah, Patrick. I give Alan some.
Give me something for can able to support your daily meals.
Yeah. Why the meal you want him to cook for you? Why the first meal you want him to cook?
Pork.
Yeah, rice and peas. Pork?
This man I never do without him pork. I pay pork and is that all.
A pure pork you eat, man, Judge.
Pork nice.
Pork nice?
Yeah.
Pork a nice, man. Yeah, you like it. So you know like callaloo?
Me have problem with them when it comes to vegetable.
You like cabbage?
What them a meat so? Pea meat them when you cook vegetable they don't want it. You have to force them to them.
Jaja.
I like vegetable.
Once I pork you more. I'm gonna check Charles then. You hear Patrick?
Yeah.
I'm there, man. Alright, I see what Charles I say. Pork, the man say, man. The man say, you're not 82. You reach 82, you're dead long time. Yeah, they're two brothers, you know. So if you're new to the program and don't know, they're two brothers, you know. So one over there and one is over here.
Yeah, 82 years old now.
No, I'm saying I reach 82 yet.
You reach 82, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to get
So you can raise with them now.
Yeah.
So they don't hear from them.
So I guess a long time I hear from it though.
Me hungry, man.
Alright.
I don't know one them.
Yeah, man, bring some money for them.
When? Next week?
No.
No, for support on the food.
Yeah, bring money now if you can.
Right now.
So you can get some food.
Oh, man, no. Me 82 now, you know.
No, man, Patrick saying I reach 82 yet.
In your 70s.
In your 70s, Charles.
Let me 82, man. Lord, Charles. Let me tell you, I 82 years old now. So blood clot. I'm a daughter gone at 27 years old. And boy gone at 23rd. So you tell them that.
No, man, your son.
We're not custody.
Son in a 3 year old now. And he got in a 7 year old.
Alright, we're not custody, they're not 82
Just say every day I tell my people them say you're 82.
That just stuck in a film brain.
Yeah.
Same as that.
Alright, you're 82 then, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I'll leave it right there, so.
Right there, so.
Something to do here.
Yeah, but carry something now, man, so I get Orlando.
If I'm bought piece of bun here.
That bun season done, you know? You keep on the top about bun.
Here.
You like bun?
Yeah,
They
man.
love bun.
Love the bun.
So cake and bun, so then.
Oh, and like the sweet stuff.
Yeah.
I buy Easter bun see you, man.
You know, so then they see you at Superman.
Lawrence said then.
No, I don't know the people that we are talking about.
Lawrence, brother.
Who that?
No, I ask if Lawrence is there, but I tell him, say you don't know nobody named Lawrence. Or
You know nobody with him, so.
You know Joe.
No.
You know T.
Are your family them there?
Yeah, my brother them.
Oh. So where your brother them live? Is my brothers, I don't know, different family?
from them?
Yeah.
Yeah, me different.
Yeah, you have other brothers, you know the mother had a picnic.
Oh.
Yeah.
The younger or older?
Younger, because him, I first one, for the mother as far as how they explain.
So that's outside.
So mother and father, same mother and father, first.
You know my mother.
So in Kingston here?
No, Manchester side.
You know
Oh, Manchester.
Yeah, but
You know where
mother,
birth?
sister, they're responsible for the yard. Yeah. So
You know it, man.
they used to visit so till them start live with the auntie so till the yard pass over to your brothers them.
Oh, okay.
So the next elder, I don't know if ever they meet for our next one. Our full eye like.
At the front?
Yeah, him did drop out last year.
Yeah. I think that them but they say no one them know yet.
Yeah. Them no one knows.
They know down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Who you call?
I
So him call. He mix up the conversation sometime, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to understand when I get mixed up with the conversation.
When Barry get to it, 3 o'clock, when in the afternoon, I got rolling out, pick up around 5, 5, so I get you.
Yeah.
And by next 3rd week, in Japan, I won.
So I read and say, here what Charles and Patrick, so I give Ireland a donation for help with some food stuff for you, right?
Yeah.
So they can get some food supplies.
If I verify that,
Yeah, no, I might get it now.
I already know.
Yeah, so we have $20,000 a year from Jamaica and Grandpa.
No, George.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jamaican grandpa
from New York. 20,000.
From New York, and Ireland will receive 20,000 for Charles and Patrick to help with them groceries. Many thanks and respect.
Yeah, it's a counting says too much.
No, it ain't. No, it ain't.
Hold on there.
No way.
Yeah, 20. Yeah, I received 20.
No, it ain't.
My respect, yeah.
Ma ask if Louis did dead?
No, you just keep on a mix. I mean, say a fair.
Okay.
Pick up when you mix up the conversation.
Oh.
Man, my boy, the blood clot, boy, the blood clot. And man must stop all the blood clot, idiot. You know,
what we are talking about now? Tell me what we are talking about now.
And me and Mom Danny then talk. And Danny then the blood is last year.
So you cuss bad with that for your son, so remember your son, like?
Yeah, and you're there on video, you know, if you cuss no bad because the people them will help you. I go watch your video, so tap cuss bad out.
This man, he told me, foot them at me, and me foot them, we can't church out. That doesn't know. He said, when you look at church out, I'm on there, day. And when you get out there Friday there, you can't church it right out for 2 foot get better. 2 foot get foot. You get the ball down.
2 foot get foot.
So you can stretch them out then.
Yeah.
Just stretch them out, man. Right?
You know, my first starter.
Your first starter?
Yeah.
Is not none? They say not have none.
George! Yeah. 51.
Him say that. Him say that at a pitney.
You know, no sense of blood clot. You must take and push up in that George blood clot. I just told that. No, you get the fine, bro.
Yo, I want to say if him say anything when I go so Charles Patrick I go catch her and say yo, yeah.
You know, Patrick?
Yeah,
George my answer.
So George I got answer.
Yeah. Is it Patrick?
Yeah.
No. Your brother him attack.
Hey guys, I'm telling you, these two brothers will come here always laugh. I swear, because when Charles start and then George, which is Patrick now, catch her and say, you're too liar, whatsoever, you're not this. So, you know, George is more like, he's more there, you know, than Patrick. He kind of gets seen and everything, you know, so him keep us.
Sorry.
Yeah, so anyway the thing goes, guys, so that's how it goes, but trust me, there's a lovely family, all of them need some support to get them food, to maintain them stuff there, you know. And yeah, I'm wheelchair as well too, as I said, through the wheelchair I'm still at the storeroom, I don't want to get them yet, you know, because I'm saying I'm going to bring 2 phones as well too.
Oh, the one we did bring come early on, it's still there, so the wheelchair we don't get now, it's like them here, blue one here.
No, it's more.
No, George.
It's more better still. The black one, them.
Oh, the black one. Okay, anyway, that one there we have so mash up.
Mash up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Because I said the things them still at the storeroom and I really get to get them as yet. Because even the electrical wheelchair for Miss Gracie, that is there as well too.
Okay.
So I said whenever I bring that, I bring 2 of the wheelchair them
know?
come as well too.
Okay.
Gracie,
No, she's not dead.
she's still alive.
Eh?
Yeah, Gracie's still alive.
I'm I want that away, man. George! 25 and 25 hours. Now I'm blood clot then. Why you can't spell Manchester blood clot?
Charles.
When you get Miss Gracie in a private, when you want to the husband and watch a video and hear her sitting there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can't spell Manchester. I'm not on school. I'm not.
Hey, yes,
You
sir.
have to walk to the little brother. Come here and get to the accident. I have to run, you know, nothing on about him, brother. So tell me, your brother say, he don't have never done that, brother.
Hey, one thing is the judge is sharp, you know. Judge, you hear everything next door there.
Yeah.
You hear him say, yeah, my ear.
Yes, George. Listen to him, George.
Judge, I listen everything next door. Judge said, yeah. But Alan, I'm to your big sister.
You don't introduce me to any.
Oh, so Alan never meet the big sister yet, though. Charles, what go
I'm
on?
27, no.
27.
Yeah, I'm boy at 23.
Oh, what 23? Alan, you
Young brown boy, where is he, bro? Like, yeah.
have a next one around here?
Yeah, I tell him I mix up
One
the
pick
conversation.
up orange.
Okay, I understand.
He's about 23. In there, as well time. But the young guy at 24.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Then I'm no pregnant.
Yeah, Judge, over there say it, tell that.
Don't lie.
George! 20 and 20 hours. 20 and 20 hours.
That's all I know.
You're not on blood clots then. I hear it that. 20 and 20 hours done.
Yeah, no, so I'm gonna leave you because I'm gonna laugh till I cry. Hey, Patrick.
Give me some music, no?
Yeah, make it all of the money.
Man. Give me money.
Make it all of the money, so man get the things them for you.
Yeah,
Man can get some for drink.
where's paper?
Hmm?
Where's paper?
What you say?
Where's paper?
So I saw you ask. Linda must want nothing now still, you know.
No.
Yeah, I just saw you ask it.
Yeah. Alright then, here Charles.
Yeah, man, take care.
Take up yourself.
You know Lanzo?
Alright.
Eh?
Lanzo, no man, what Lanzo?
Lanzo is my cousin too, you know.
Hey, cousin too.
And the man name is Saita.
So how much baby mother you have? Since I tell you how much pitney, how much baby mother?
How much baby mother you have? Your son asked you how much baby mother you have.
I want me up.
Oh, one baby
So
mother.
them gave all of them pitney there?
I don't give me a pen them, man.
Eh?
I don't tear down all them places to go down.
So, but you see, Alan, you make Alan can't get no youth, because Alan have to go and stay and look after you. So you see, Alan can't go outside and get no girl, nothing at all. See, you have a good son, you know. Because your son make sure stay home and look after the two of you. Don't it?
Two away,
Yeah, you and your brother.
you know what I'm going.
How?
I may help them too.
What you do?
If you get 1 pound of flour for me, you don't get it.
Alright, so I'm grateful to see you here. Alan, continue the good work, bro. As I say,
my respect,
a lot of youth your age would do what you do because
True.
I say them want to live for them life, see me, and you take the opportunity for us stay home and help them, you know?
More time, I show them say, although I'm there with them, if I see the opportunity where I can go work, I still have to go work. I have a life to live, them live a life already. So they have to understand that. I tell them something them.
Yeah. But at least it's still a sacrifice because you still want to push out.
Yeah.
For go and do that. And
Louis!
I will appreciate that same way, you know?
Yeah, man.
Louis,
Definitely.
that man I know.
Eh?
It's Louis, that man I know.
It's Louis?
Yeah.
I wish Louis that.
When you born David time.
Louis Bennett?
No, man using
Okay. Hey, around for the two of them now. Alright, George.
Alright. Take care.
Yeah, man, take care, yeah? So, Yeah, man, so the reach you where I get, man, something better than this.
Yeah, that one damage.
That one done, man, done. You see this?
Totally, man.
This whole and rusty up everything, man. Long time of this one.
That one I did get you through food for the poor and you get that one here.
This well rusty, man. Well rusty. Alright, you're Judge.
Yeah.
You must live good, yeah?
Alright.
But I follow him up sometime.
Yeah, I tell lie.
Him tell lie.
And that's why we know that.
Okay.
We know I tell lie.
Yeah, me understand. Him a tell lie.
I think all the world is mad.
Eh?
Tell all the world is mad.
How old your father is?
Father. I don't know.
Him say me no.
I don't know.
Him no know.
I don't know.
Him no know him mother.
I know.
Him no know him mother age.
No.
Oh.
No. But. No.
Him no know.
Man, I hear the 6 man.
She hear the 6?
I mean, no.
Oh, him no know. Him not gonna tell no lie. I want him with Judge not gonna tell no lie.
No.
Alright. So I'll cook pork for you then.
No, me I say so much me know.
Tell him, man. Alright then, take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Until next time. I'm for George, you know. George is clean, you know.
Top man, Charles. Look more.
Alright, so
Later,
I
Charles.
respect everyone.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I want to go with Charles here. Patrick here is clean. Alright then. Yeah. Alright guys, let me say those are two brothers them, you know. So not really pay no man because them always praying at each other. You know, because you know George is the younger brother of Charles, but him don't like when Patrick talk anything that goes. So, but you know, Patrick is not really too aware of things that he's saying because you know they edit twice and everything can get him senile, you know. So that is the problem. Big up my general. So yeah. So that is the problem. That's why you hear him always go at him. But you know them always make you laugh when them doing that, especially. Yeah. Judge said, Roy, too low, you don't know what he is. And then, you know, 20 or 20 hour. Eh? Yeah. Spell Manchester. I pay that him I use for the money. Him don't attack something. Yeah. Charles for something as a lie myself. I'm younger here Patrick the part. Like you say you pure lie. Pure lie. Hey, but not lie, them bright no matter there, you know. So guys, so yes man, so we're gonna head back over now. You know, I know this, yeah, we're gonna see Cranberry and family. You know, everything goes, so yeah man, bless you, love. Peace. Guys, you know the thing goes. So before heading up to Cranberry, I have to make a stop at Ibo's Spice. You know, to get the spice and make sure everything is right. You know the thing goes already. Live.
Not eat. Yeah. I love that.
You got one?
They are rolling through, you know.
I myself got favorite videos. I get the downloads, you know.
So you know, as I reach out to get my hot chocolate and busy tea, you know the thing goes. Then I'm gonna have a little food and then head out, you know the thing.
Understand what happened. Yourself?
For myself.
Making a vlog?
He knows.
Huh?
No, she asked if I'm making a vlog, so I say he knows.
Yeah, it's Akeynote, you know? Akeynote Live. So he's a vlogger. I think vlogger means video, vlogger. Yeah. I'm not really into computer stuff again, you know? Yeah. Because I'm very young, you know, even though I have this beard, I born and see computer in my house and stuff. So I really hate computers right now. I love trees.
He's just gonna say yeah. He's just gonna say yeah.
I'm just gonna say yeah. Alright, listen.
Alright guys, so see
This is
Jim.
my second cook meal for the whole week.
Quick and fast.
Okay.
So like now, like 3 days I'm only drinking tea.
My hot chocolate and busy tea is finished. You know, so now I'm gonna be munching on this before I head on the road. You know it goes already. Christmas tree.
I went to UK, like that was my path. I went to the airport with no luggage.
So the sevens after sevens. 7 different elements.
Through my phone, through my earrings, was walking around barefoot.
Yeah, portal food, you know. Yeah.
When you eat something, eat for what?
Eat something.
Make your way down to the portal.
Yeah. That's it.
Aye. That's the first.
Yeah. He then patient himself.
More life.
Third life.
Third life.
Let them know.
Pumpkin seed.
Alright.
Cayenne pepper. Black salt.
Oh.
Aye.
No prostate. Prostate, take away yourself. Yes. Blessed love every time. See there, I just finished eat and I got myself some of got 3 beetroot and a herbalade. Hello. 3 beetroot and a herbalade, and I am good. So now I'm going to head into Friendstown to get some of the guys and then head to see Cranberry and family, because my sister, she ordered chicken, you know, for me to drop off the Cranberry and the family. It's not KFC chicken, but they can KFC it if they want, you know. So it's freshly killed chicken, you know, raw, so where they have to go and cook, you know. So that's what they have to do. So if they want KFC hit, you know, that is for them thing. You know, they can, you know, Cranberry already, she loves the cooking up. So Cranberry, do anything you want. You want curry it, brown it, you know, do anything you want. So guys, so that's the mission right now. Let's go to see Cranberry and the family. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So, just touched down in the airport. Just touched down up at Miami River. Yes, guys. So just here at Miami River. Just land. You know, so we have to do what we're doing quick and fast because it looks like it's going to rain. You know, it's not raining yet.
Get the water? Get the river water?
The river? No, man, over here, so.
Oh.
I full up for them things.
That's one pick now.
Whoa, looks like it's wanting. Rain, I read it earlier. Ball it there. Ball it now, yellow.
Just you. See you, man. See you.
Ball it!
Head ball.
Yeah. Boom, injure. Where you say no fruits, nothing. Boom is injured, so guys, Boom is not here today. You know, Boom is not here today, still injured. You know, from the football. He got 30 grand walk. Go 30 grand walk. I fling the foot. I fling it. You go and swing it here at 30. Yeah. Go on over there. Well, the river is not so bad today. Not so bad today, guys. Not so bad. It have a little bit of force, but it's not so as heavy, and it don't come down like the other day as well. So it's okay for us to cross it.
Nice granite sand here.
This though.
Nice piece of granite sand this, you know, brother.
So much sand coming as well. Granite the house right now though. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we have 30 grand here. We have Rasta Jackson. And we have Esther here as well today. Why you have to jump? You could have just walked across Jackson. Eh? Walk across it. Come now. Eh? Wait, I see him stone here, I will step on. Alright, go on, Jackson. Go on, Jackson. Yeah, because she's worried about she's going to fall. If you fall, you're not going further in the water. You're going right there in the water. No further in the water. Yeah. Other one that goes sweeter. want that back for? Mother gone?
Yeah.
Father alone there, she just gone.
You know, when I just pull out there.
See there, the big one there. I tell you, I wait till your father, he said, like, he knows say I come.
Georgie. All is well. Are you there in today? Turn the radio for me a little bit, please.
See it, tell her.
What are you trying to hide from me?
Nah, sing them, say them must sing. Call it no Kino. How see dog are running or something, say somebody. Come on, Nana say Kino.
Send your eyes, put them again at tree.
That's the life for me now.
I will not tell lie for myself. I will not try hide. You talk though. Talk the truth, because I talk and tell lie.
Nana, you said she run going at tree.
No, I'm dying on a tree.
No, it's not.
You charge it.
So Esther, she don't river.
She don't river. She don't come across.
You know, Esther now come up on the hill. Every time she come up, she drop.
I lie.
Tell you, I mash down that something else, still step right and mash down.
That's why you say Esther Jack.
The day when she go eat and she walk over, she drop. You see when she drop, you know, last time she see her stay and be sad, because she know me I work hard too. Oh, me?
You get pure puppy?
Me need to want a puppy, I give him one, give him. My mother said she want to buy a pit bull put in her yard. Me need to want one.
So how much dog you don't want in the yard?
She want a pit bull. She want a puppy. Every day when 30 grand come, 30 grand alone we are putting pan.
What you want to for?
Evening again. No, it's dangerous there. No, this one is dangerous there.
Your mother said she not make that one day.
Huh?
She make one difference.
Yeah, because that's not swinging. That one is not good. Where?
Power start.
Oh, the Akeynote won't open it open.
Come, Professor. Let's come right up. Come.
Oh, let them drop on there.
Yeah. See more than push up. Come here.
I know me name.
See them, me don't remember your name. Rasta Jackson. Come here, please.
Rasta Jackson and the Jacksons.
Look there. Look up at Shoma, you see them, you see?
And your old stop, Dan?
And my old staff, see?
Where's your old staff?
See, my old staff, the way over there.
The old staff is right here, so. And the Aki tree is right over there, so.
Over there, so we put the leather on it. They still think of earthquake and shake. And shake. The old staff, and nobody know some of the planet and all of them. And look there, Aki still up at Shoma, see here, it's so cool. Come, mother, you say, you want there to see when they come.
Well, I bring some chicken in another bag there from my sister. Yeah, we have 2 chicken in another bag there. Right there, so. So this is 2 chicken here in another bag. It's not KFC, but they can KFC it. Yeah, here. Hold it now. That's 2 chicken, heavy, right? From my sister Felicia. So you can thank Felicia.
Thank you,
Felicia.
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 Thank you, Felicia, and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, Felicia, give thanks again in a holy for honor and love, man. Holy for thanks again. More blessing again, man. Holy for thanks.
Yes, Cranberry, thank you, aunt.
No, that's it.
You just said a while ago.
No. And you will say it back over. Felicia.
Felicia. Yeah.
Thank you, Felicia. And may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
You can KFC the chicken. Right, Nana. Yeah, brown stew and curry.
Brown stew.
Brown stew. Alright guys, so we give thanks to Felicia, which is Fel Nico. We always in the comment section, Fel Nico, you know, we thank her for providing these chicken. You know, then can go and fry, steam, bake, jerk, roast, curry, anything what they want for you. Right? Itara, you want the fried chicken, curry chicken, sweet and sour.
You don't want to see that, sir?
Give them any type of chicken, you know, yeah, fried, deep fried, fricassee chicken.
You don't fry chicken.
Who remember fricassee? I said name fricassee chicken. I said name 30 grand. Fricassee chicken. No man, where them do it? It's a fricassee. A fricassee, guys, I don't remember. Fricassee, tikkassee, datassee. I first say about that? Yeah, it's like a fricassee chicken, something like so. I just want to say, leave my camera alone. And they used to do it, man, I swear. My mother used to do it when they were younger. Something like so, I must say fricassee chicken or something. I don't know what they use. Yeah. Fricassee, guys, so let me know. So let me know if you know about fricassee chicken. Maybe I'm not saying it right, you know. I don't remember the name of some type of fricassee, Dixassee, NC, that type of scene chicken. How you put me in a smile for Cranberry? Do you want to talk about the chicken?
No.
Oh. Nana, river, ain't no more swimming. Water dirty though.
I do still swim.
You still swim, Nile?
I go swimming down far, I could be back up here. And I jump like you take a water, I could wash up back and bathe it soap.
Oh.
So I say, when we go wash up in the river, we wash up back it clear water.
It's a clear
water. When me Soviet, and give a look of water, like we bring a jug down there and full them full.
Oh.
I say no one there and river come down and we don't have nothing for drink.
It's the same water that in the back, listen. River water.
We use for wipe out the room.
Oh, for wipe out the room.
Charge
him, I bring 2 paint.
Yeah,
you see, two white.
A white?
White for the ceiling.
Oh, the ceiling.
Yeah. For the 2 bedroom, the bathroom, and the kitchen as well too. So in a week I have found in Baja. Yeah, because Baja said this week coming. Because she's there on work. Yeah. I was there on work, man, you know. Then said this week coming. Come do as much you can do. Yeah, thing goes. Yes guys, so I'm saying it was a quick mission. But that guy was going pure ribs. A little puppy this?
Yeah.
Ribs out. You see, you don't want too much dog. You can feed them.
I see that. The one of them.
Nana? Nana.
No. Father.
I don't know.
No, my puppy need for one puppy.
Oh no.
Nana says she's allergic to puppy, she need for one. Then my mother said I give her them after him. I don't
have more just born as well too.
After them born again, then gone.
How much in have?
4.
4.
And a 4 old mother have the dog have 4.
So if everyone I get one. So one for Nana, one for Toko, one for Tara, and one for you. You know what I mean?
Allergic to?
Yeah. Toko, you want one?
I want to sell, you don't want a puppy.
Everything you sell.
No, my uncle said I want that.
What you sell him for?
6,000.
6,000. Brother, she sell everything. Anything you get you want to sell. You're a real hustler. You're the definition of a real hustler. You know?
Yeah, every time
She will sell all the honey to the bees. She will sell the honey to the bees. Oh, sir. Alright, Charge, you look a bit.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so as I said, the mission was to come chop off the chicken and then head back down in the village. Totally girl, take your time, no more dropping, you know, worse.
Nah, drop again, man.
Worse, you're wounded.
Girl, you took my cup.
Totally girl have a new walk. Yeah, Bobby to the right. Bye bye, Nana. I pay your mouth me here. Your mother now? You're confused. You want to go to school?
That's Chihuahua. Surfing, you can't go surf. That's too far for you, girl.
Mother, you said she don't pick me up. The last time I asked Esther, she knows that Esther was saying no.
I'm not saying that, but too far. Pick up a pee.
No, she said, auntie, I go pick me up and she...
Leave it alone, leave it alone.
My auntie go pick me up, so my mother make sure go pick me up. So she said, ask Esther, hush pa. If my mother go send me there. But she said, if Esther go make me go, she just make my auntie pick me up and done and come home.
Yes,
Esther now go on me. I'm going to love you. If I love you at school, you know what's up. You know what I'm school? What? No, she's for them right now. Every day I'm sitting here, I run go back to you. Yeah.
How about which Kino? Where? Go away. Go me. Oh, she put on my yard.
And that's the thing.
But don't leave me at the school.
Every day we can ask everybody in here. We can live here, you know. So we can go over there and run in your room and hide in your bed and not get nobody know come over. Check it out for the compound.
I must have the compound me live. I tell you. We have antenna I'm going to connect to. Where antenna connect to?
Yes, you.
Eh? No, sir. If your antenna connect like me, you know you're not about to hear your mouth. If your antenna connect to mine, no one hears your mouth. Trust me. You should never say it's good, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, come back, I want everyone to coffee. Yeah, Esther. Every time I want to she's not in the window. So next time,
Member got church, yeah? Alright then. Remember the walk to go back up the road now. Come on, you're turning back.
I'm a mother, yeah, overturned.
How come Esther becomes your mother now?
I really love you. What? No, I've seen it. Damn. That's why you hear everything. That's happening.
I don't have money share beg.
No, I beg me, I beg my mother. She's my mother.
So what you do?
No, I just say, daddy, you can't do that, daddy. You can't do that, daddy. No, I beg you to ask me.
There's nothing for you to ask for.
If my mother, me ask her, she's my mother.
You're not supposed to,
beg her.
no matter, no asking.
Yes, daddy.
No asking. Run up now. Run up the road.
Daddy, I want to take you away.
Run. Bye-bye.
Get Daddy. Get her from
Oh, I go on video shoot. Watch them dancing there. Alright guys, so we complete the mission up here before the rain. Well, yeah, so the mission is accomplished up here before the rain starts to fall and all of that.
Here will get rain.
Boy, my car, well, I'm bad. You know how long my car and my vehicle now wash? Over 2 weeks. Over 2 weeks. That not get washed all now. Because every day rain. Every day rain. And as early as the morning is the sun come out, come dry it. Let's look. See the car here for weeks in a beard. For weeks. Here rain, man.
I want to clean now.
Let me drive in the rain. Alright guys, alright. So anything else? Let's say love.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.